Thanks for interesting to know about Clickfunnels Bridge Page. Clickfunnels Bridge Page Pros and Cons. Pros. Creating funnels is extremely easy as well as fast. All in one system to keep your business well organizated. Split testing and conversion tracking of your customers. One of the best email autoresponders inside. Integrations of multiple platforms inside of Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is always changing and updating its features. There is always sustain readily available, whether live or not. Extremely active Facebook group area. Free 14-day trial that allows you to test Clickfunnels with no commitment. Cons. Clickfunnels Bridge Page is not a cheap solution and it needs a monthly payment subscription. Customer service isn't really the fastest and also may draw from 1 minute to 24 hours depending on the problem. Clickfunnels versus everybody else. Clickfunnels Bridge Page. A lot of people ask how Clickfunnels is compared to other website builders, like Leadpages, Unbounce, and also Infusionsoft. Essentially it's not a reasonable comparison, because each of these tools succeeds as one factor or the other. Click the link below in this video for more updates. The graph above offers you a thorough analysis, however I will talk a little bit about the most important comparisons. Clickfunnels versus Leadpages. Before Clickfunnels Bridge Page, Leadpages was the best solution. Leadpages is simply a lead capture software application. Nothing more and nothing less. You can create Clickfunnels Bridge Page web pages, lead boxes, accumulate leads, that's pretty much it. In addition, Leadpages layouts are likewise restricted on modification. Clickfunnels is far more versatile. It's much easier to utilize as well as it does so a lot more compared to just create lead capture pages. Leadpages is just a landing page builder, while Clickfunnels is focused in building funnels. Clickfunnels versus Infusionsoft. Infusionsoft is not a landing page or sales page builder. It has a few of that functionalities inside. Maybe you don't know, but Clickfunnels Bridge Page is not just what it's recognized for. Click the link below this video for more updates. At its core, Infusionsoft is a CRM system. One that allows you to manage your entire consumer data source. Clickfunnels has this feature with Actionetics, however it's not nearly as progressed as Infusionsoft. Infusionsoft is likewise very expensive as well as forces every brand new client to pay $2,000 for an obligatory coaching package. All this to teach you the best ways to use the complicated system, which is notoriously hard to use. Thanks for watching this video.